Today we'll be installing the curtain tie backs. The tools you'll need for this project are your leather straps, screws, and pop toggle anchors included in your kit, a drill with a small drill bit and possibly a larger 5/16 bit, measuring tape, a stud finder, a pencil, and a hammer. First, we'll be measuring where we want to mount the straps on the wall. I did mine 21 inches up from the windowsill and 2 inches out from the window. Next, using your stud finder, determine whether you'll be mounting into a stud or directly into drywall. If you're mounting into a stud, you will not need to install the wall anchors. Now I'm taking a small drill bit and drilling my pilot hole all the way into the stud. If you're mounting into drywall with no stud behind it, you'll need to drill a hole with the 5/16 drill bit. Next, you'll take your anchor, fold the wings down and pinch it together, gently place it into the hole, and tap with a hammer until it's flush with the wall. Your leather straps come with 2 pre-drilled holes. You'll want to mount the piece of the leather with the smaller of the 2 holes directly to the wall, leaving the end with the larger hole available to pop on and off the screw, allowing you to tie back or close the curtains. Now, taking the screw included in your kit, gently twist it into the small hole so it's ready to mount, and tighten down with a flathead screw bit, leaving a small amount of room to allow the other end of the strap to hook onto. You'll repeat this process on both sides of the window, and the end results should look something like this.